Hi everybody, in today's video, we will learn what are the 4 P's of marketing. The 4 P's of marketing, also known as the marketing mix, are the set of key elements that organization use to develop and implement marketing strategies. They represent different aspects of the company's offering and help define its marketing approach. So the 4 P's of marketing are product, price, place, and promotion. So let us learn this in detail. The first P is product. Product refers to the goods or service that a company is offering to its customers. Here, the company will decide on the design of the product, its feature, quality, packaging, and branding of the product. For example, the smartphone company may focus on developing a device with advanced feature, sleek design, and user-friendly interface to cater to its technology-driven customers. So the second P is price. Price will represent the amount of money customers are willing to pay for the product or a service. Pricing involves considerations such as cost of production, competition, target market's affordability, and perceived value. An example is a luxury automobile manufacturer may set a high price for their vehicles to position them as a exclusive and desirable. Now let's discuss on the third P, that is place. Place refers to the distribution channel and location where the customer can access a company's product or service. It involves decision related to selection of retail outlets, online platforms, or channels to make the offering available to its customer. For instance, a clothing brand may choose to sell its product through both physical stores and e-commerce website to reach a wide customer base. And the final P is promotion. So promotion involves the activities that communicate and promote the product to target market. It includes advertising, public relation, sales promotions, and other marketing communication techniques. For example, a beverage company might launch a television ad campaign, sponsor sporting events, and offer promotional discounts to cater awareness and drive sales. These 4 P's work together to create a comprehensive marketing strategy, enabling companies to effectively position and promote their products or service in the marketplace. It is important to note that the 4 P's can vary depending on the industry, target market, and a specific marketing objective of each organization. So, in simple words, we can say that the 4 P's of marketing, also known as marketing mix, are the set of strategic components that are used to effectively market a product or a service. So, now let us explore each of these elements in context of Apple Incorporation. So, the first P is product. Apple is famous for its innovative and high quality products. They offer a wide range of consumer electronics, which include iPhone, Mac computers, iPad tablets, Apple Watch, and various software and services. Apple's products are known for their sleek design, user friendly interface, and seamless integration between the hardware and software, which create their own ecosystem. Their focus on delivering a cutting edge technology and a superior user experience has made their products highly desirable. So, the next P of Apple is price. Apple's pricing strategy is often premium or high end. They position their products as aspirational and emphasize their superior quality and features. Apple's pricing strategy is based on a combination of factors including product differentiation, perceived value, and the brand image. By setting higher prices, Apple aims to maintain a sense of exclusivity and premium positioning for their products. So the next P for Apple is place. Apple products are distributed through multiple channels, both online and offline. Apple has its own physical retail stores called Apple Stores located in various cities around the world. These stores provide a unique and immersive shopping experience, allowing its customers to interact with the Apple products and receive expert assistance. Additionally, Apple products are also sold through authorized resellers, online platforms, and telecom carriers, expanding their reach to a broader set of customer base. And the last P is promotion. Apple's promotion strategy focus on building a strong brand image and creating excitement around their product launches. They heavily invest in marketing and advertising campaigns that highlight the features, design, and the innovation of their products. Apple utilizes various channels including television, print media, online platforms, and social media to reach its target audience. They often create a buzz around their new product release. generating anticipation, and driving customer demand. It is important to note that marketing strategies may evolve over time and the specific tactics employed by Apple Incorporation may vary. However, these are some key examples of how the four P's of marketing have been applied by Apple to achieve its success in the market. So friends, this was about the four P's of marketing with an example of Apple. If you have found this video useful, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel to get such more updates in the future. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.